I hope Jumia will watch this someday. Hi there, my name is Kazungu Duncan from Ero Productions, and today I'm not going to do a tutorial, but I'll be doing a product review. So I was watching other people like PH Learn, and I liked the way they had a presentation, and I just liked how their table was so clean. So I wanted to have such a thing, and therefore I decided to purchase a mini keyboard and mouse, and both of them are wireless, and I purchased that on 29th of November. That is 1 week ago, and today on Saturday the 5th of December, Jumia has been able to send this to me. And before I go into a whole process of explaining what they have sent to me, I want to bring to you that I run 8 YouTube channels, Ero Productions being one of the main channels. And I just want to ask you, in case you are interested in graphics design, I will offer you a full, course in graphics design. So consider subscribing, and you can also leave me a comment down below. So I want just to show you what they gave me, and of course they packed it in the famous Jumia, bag, and if you read it there, you'll see it reads Jumia, and they have the stuff there. Though I feel it is too big, why should you have something small in a big thing like this? And you can see they have addressed it to me. They have my phone number there, they have my name there, and of course they have a serial number. I don't know, so don't worry about this. I was just trying to open it because I didn't want to come on this tutorial and show you how to open, because I know you understand how to do this. So I will happily take it out of this because it's mine, of course. So Jumia, don't get mad at me when I'm doing this. I'm not interested in this, so I'll just put it there. Then they also packed it in yet another famous Jumia bag, the online shop you can trust. And maybe let's see if we can trust them in this video. So I've not opened it yet. So if Jumia have not packed exactly what I wanted, I think you will decide for yourself whether to buy from them or not. So I will also happily remove this because I'm not interested in it. Do they have a gift for me? No, they don't have a gift for me. You could even put a mask for me. So it reads mini keyboard and mouse, and that is what I expect inside here. So I will happily open this. I think it is well covered, although for a long distance I think this is not fine, because you see you've distorted my box, but then there's no problem. What I'm interested in is the product itself. Wow, look at that. Did I open it well? Maybe it should be the other way around. Yes, so this is exactly what is in the box, and I want to really experience a good thing from this. So I would like this camera to just come and show you exactly what is in this box. So guys, you can see I have a mouse here, so I will happily remove it. And the way they said it is mini, right? Mini, so I'm not expecting something big. So of course this is a good size. I like it, so I'll put it here. Then I also have a keyboard, and let me just show you. So I guess I'm through with this. I'm not interested in that unless there's something important there. So here is a keyboard. I like it in the first place because they have given me a provision here. I like this part because I usually find it hard typing using this number. So thank you for putting for me this part. So I just like it. Let me see the behind. It is pretty cool. So I will open this, and they told me that this is behind here. So this is something like a remote or something, or a sensor that you will plug into your computer, and then this one needs to be powered. So of course you need to have the batteries. Also the what do you call it, the mouse should also be powered. So they don't give you the batteries, but I believe in the future they should give us batteries. So I was able to buy batteries, and this is ever ready. The size is AAA. So I will happily open this and just put it inside here. So of course the negative will go the other way, and boom, that is fine. Maybe if you do boom, it will be so fine. So I will close this. How do they close this? I think it's this way. Really, this is not the one. I guess this is the one. This is my first time, so you will understand. Sometimes I may make mistakes. What's not happening? Yeah, that's very fine. And I will also want to power this just like this. So I will take this and throw that away and just power my very mouse just like that. No, this is not fine. Remove it and put it this. Look at that. It shows that it's powered on. I don't know. Let me first of all close. How do they close? I think it's this way. And so it's just on this way. Where do you put it off or on? I don't know. Maybe we shall see that some other time. So I want to plug this into my computer. So I will happily plug it in there so that it senses. I don't know if there is somewhere to put on. There is no any button to put on, but it is automatically powered. This will finish my batteries, and I don't like that. So let me show you how it is doing, maybe on Photoshop, and we shall see if it is a good thing or a bad thing. So guys, I've plugged it in, and I will want to use this. This is a mouse pad, and it is branded with Ero Productions logo and my details. So it will make my work pretty good. So if I jump into Photoshop, there's something I was working on. Let me see. This thing's really working. It's like it's not working. Come on. The mouse is working, right? And can it really sense? Let me see. It has selected. Yeah, it is sensing. Oh boy, it's working. I can now, zoom in, and I think I like this. Let me see if the scroll button is working. Look at that, it is working. So let me see, but it has some lagging. I don't know, it has some lagging, maybe because it's still new. Let me believe so, but it is a bit lagging, and I don't like that. So let me see, if I double click here, can I change this? Really? Yes, I can happily change this. So that means it is functioning well. So I believe this is fine. Let me try something like file and come to new, and then let me see, the response is a bit slow. Then I'll just hit OK to see if it is functioning. Wow, it is good. So I believe this is a good thing, and I believe it will aid my tutorials, and I will be so happy to experiment this. But what I've observed, and which is so bad to me, is that Jumia or the retailer has not provided for me where I can put this on or off. So Jumia, you want to tell me that when I want to put this off, I should remove in the batteries, which is not good, because I believe it should have somewhere to power it, either to put on or off. I can see this button is not working, so it will be, or let me see, I've seen something on and off. I don't know, it's just, they have just written somewhere here on and off, but it is not a button. So Jumia, please, next time when I order something like this, please put for me a button. Then the good thing about it is that I like the color in the first place, because white is a good color. Then the size of the keyboard, it is not so heavy, and it's very light, by the way. It's very light. You can put it in your bag and you'll be so happy. Then the mouse also, it is light and it is small. At least it fits in my big arm. So I like that, because who does not like things that fit? So I think that is fine, and my view is pretty simple. I will advise you next time, please provide for me a button, because I really need to see that button, and I'm really looking at it and I cannot see it. So guys, this is what I purchased, and I believe it is going to be something good for me. And I said that I offer tutorials in graphics design for free, and in case you are interested in graphics design, please feel very, very free to subscribe. And not only subscribe, ring that bell so that you, my friend, do not miss any future tips, tricks, or tutorials. And having said that, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.